Hello, I'm Pamela Smith, and I'm going to take you through some very easy deep breathing exercises. And you might like to try these exercises while you're at home and perhaps follow through with me now. You may have heard of diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing. Now, it isn't possible to breathe into the belly, however the belly does take part. When you inhale, the diaphragm engages from just under here and then descends. When it does that, it presses on the lower abdominal contents and the muscles in the abdomen relax to allow this. This is probably why it's known as belly breathing. Of course, when you exhale, it all goes into reverse. I am sure, and perhaps fortunately, we don't usually pay much attention to our breath. Your lungs going in and out carry on supplying you with oxygen and removing the carbon dioxide, while without you having to pay much attention or make much effort. However, in times of stress, unhappiness or anger, your breathing pattern changes, very often to shallow breathing or breath holding. Shallow breathing, that upper part apparent near your shoulders, doesn't allow for good air exchange. Hence, good breathing is important. Deep breaths done correctly can relax the body, calm the mind, and improve the sense of well-being. So, the first thing you need to do is you should get yourself in the right position. For practicing deep breathing, you would be better to be upright rather than lying down. As you can see, I'm standing up, but you can sit down in a nice high-back chair. Very often in a yoga practice, you may do this lying down, but for the purposes of making this exercise easy for you to do anywhere, we're going to concentrate on sitting or standing. The second thing you need to think about, your posture, before you begin to practice the breath. Wherever you are, standing or sitting, lengthen your spine and think about lifting the crown of the head to the ceiling. Relax your shoulders down your back and open your chest. If you slouch forward, it is always more difficult to expand your rib cage. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. You can purse your lips if you want to. Notice if you are breathing mostly up here near the shoulders. It may even be lifting the shoulders. Once again, shallow breathing doesn't allow for good air exchange. Most of that should be happening near the base of the lungs, down here, at the base of the rib cage. Now let's begin to expand the rib cage at the base as you breathe. So make this part expand as you are breathing in. Using your hands on the outside of the rib cage, feel the rib cage expanding into your hands, and you can see by your hands at the middle that the middle fingers will expand, and then exhale slowly. Now, put one hand on your side, fingers to the front, and thumb to the back. Keep your shoulder blades down. The other hand on your tummy. Inhale slowly and feel the ribs moving out to the side and the back, and the belly in front expanding a little. Remember to exhale slowly. During this time, try to concentrate on the breath itself. Hear and feel it. As you begin to think of other things, return to your concentration on the breath. Execute the breaths 5 or 6 times and then rest. Do it as often as you feel the need to do it, especially during upsetting times or being tense or whatever, always slowly and don't over-breathe. There are lots of breathing exercises which may help you. To learn more, how about trying yoga or a Pilates class? Stay well, stay safe. Thank you.